We're also very excited. We've tasked this board with creating an interoperable learning record. And we're bringing all the stakeholders to the table and saying, you know what? There needs to be, we need to harness technology and data to enable people to have their information in their iPhone, just like we've enabled the health industry. Now we have the interoperable health records, and it's been one of the early successes of this administration, really opening up that data and making it available so that people have control of their own information. But why can't you have your high school degree verified and in your phone? So an employer, A, doesn't need to call your high school and find out, did you in fact graduate? So it takes the friction out of the process. It's verified, it's there, but it's all right there. But also on-the-job skills that were learned. Maybe you learned CPR as a lifeguard. Maybe you learned or got upskilled working on a factory floor and acquired a new skill. All of that should be cataloged and tracked and accessible and available and empowering the individual, as opposed to locked up and siloed in the HR department of a company where if you leave, it stays with them as opposed to travels with you. So we're bringing together all the major players and saying, how can we help develop and innovate off big government data and create this interoperable learning record? And some genius at marketing in this audience will give it a better name. Resume of the future, whatever we want to call it, because interoperable learning record is not well branded. But how can we empower the individual to have all of the skills they've acquired over their lifetime available, accessible? And oh, by the way, wouldn't it be great if there was a job vacancy in your zip code that matched the skill you had if it got pushed to you? This is not hard to do, it just hasn't been done. So we're quite excited about taking this on.